Service has issued Tornado Watch number 118, effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, or midnight Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Kosciuszko, Marshall, and Stark. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging wind, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.